Auto Purchase Workbook Video 5. In this lesson, we will take a bit of a break from our Excel worksheet and go out and explore and do some research on buying a vehicle. And I think for this video, we'll just take a look at new cars. And so the first step is to go ahead and get over to Google Chrome and let's do a search for kellybluebook.com or KBB.com, stands for Kelley Blue Book. Kelley Blue Book actually used to be a book that was blue, and you would look up new and used car values in this book. And so it's one of those guides that's used to determine the value of new and used vehicles. So especially used vehicles. And we'll take a look at that in a later video. So the first thing to do is look at some of the different features here at this site. So they've got some articles that you can read, educate yourself about cars. And then here, let's take a look at the new cars. And you can look at new cars by category, which would be the type of vehicle. You got your SUVs, pickup trucks, hatchbacks, electric cars, on and on. So you can look through those, and then you can look at also, you can search by the make. Like if you're really into Chevrolets, or you want to get yourself a Honda, or you want to buy a Toyota or a Volkswagen, you can search the vehicles that way. And then you can also search by going by whatever your budget might be, maybe by price. And so you can put in a price range, or you can take a look at some of these popular searches and featured vehicles here listed by price. And so let's say you want to buy a vehicle and you're looking for, maybe it's going to be your first vehicle, and either getting out of high school or out of college, you want to pay less than $20,000. And so they're going to put in and give you a list of what are considered some of the best vehicles for certain prices. And then they'll ask, do you want a new vehicle, used vehicle? And let's see here. Let's just take a look at what they have here. So here's a starting price right here. Ford Fusion. Let's take a look at that. Pros. It'll talk about the good things. Read more. So you can do some research here. You can look at what people don't like about it. You can look at how many miles per gallon. Some of the ratings, consumer ratings, expert ratings, talk about some of the features. And let's see what we got here. Price new. Let's see what that does for us. So you can come through here and put in, well, what do you want? Sport. Here's some other kind of sport hybrid, all different types of models to choose from within the 2019 Ford Fusion category. I'll just pick the lowest priced one, S. And then you can pick colors and all of these things if you want. And if you just want all the standard features, we can just go ahead and click either price without added options or see fair purchase price and see what we could expect to pay for this vehicle. Okay, so they give you this section right here. What it's telling you is that you should spend about this much, $22,329 for that vehicle. And then the red zone would be paying too much. The MSRP is what they call the manufacturer's suggested retail price, and that's almost pretty much top dollar for this vehicle. And so when you go to negotiate to buy one of these, then you want to be taking a look at what this fair purchase price is to make sure you get the best deal you can. You don't want to spend any more than you have to. So take some time to go around, look at these different vehicles. And it looks like they've got some vehicles for sale here. There's some listings. And also notice we've got some interest rates listed, some vehicle financing, some loans that you can obtain that we will take a look at in the next video. But for now, spend some time during the class period exploring cars, learning how to use the site, and take a look at some of the other features that this site has to offer. And when you finish your research, make a decision about which vehicle you want to purchase. And write down the vehicle make and the model, the year, and the price. The fair purchase price for your vehicle. And then in the next video, we can use that information to obtain a loan and then find out what our payments are going to be for a 5-year period.